Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's Monday, February the 28th, 2022. I have already solved one puzzle. So there are two puzzles left for today: Tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. And it's time for the binary puzzle. Yes, binary puzzle number 4190. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. 4 O's and 4 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then between two one wait 1 2 3 4 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1 2 3 yeah. 1 2 3 1 2 3. I'm stuck. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1 2 3 4 O. So the rest are 1s. Yeah. Well. 3. 1 2 3. Yeah. 1 2 3. Come on. 1 2 3. Wow, this one is not easy at all. 10. Oh. Let me compare this one and that one. 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these two boxes. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have a first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. 1 2 3, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, between there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have a first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So this box should be an O. Yeah. Well. Here I know between a 1 and an O with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay. Do we need to compare? That's the question. 1. Oh, 1 O. Yeah. Here, between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which box. First one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Think. Compare. Do we need to compare? 1001. 1001. 010. 011. Almost the same. This almost the same. Then 010. 10. 010. 10. 1. 1. Yes. We need to compare this column and the first column. 1 empty box. 1 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Okay. Between two O's comes an 1. A double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Then. Need to compare again. 11. Not the same. 11. This one and that one. Wow, a lot of comparing here. 1 1 empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1, and we have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two 1's comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 8 minutes. Alright, great binary. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. Until then, bye-bye for now.